Hi, my name is Terry Lee from Sweet Pea Papers in the Sweet Pea Papers Facebook group, and today I'm going to do the flip through of my book Shabby Spring, and I used the kit Shabby Spring. See how original I am in naming my my projects. The Shabby Spring kit from Vectoria Designs. So this book is made from just manila folders, envelopes, and the kit papers. So we're going to untie it. Obviously this is the cover. We're going to untie it with my extra long ribbon. And on the first page we have this sweet little bunny, and there's 3 little file folders and a writing card in here. And then you open this and there's a little bit of writing space, and there's a long pocket with a card. On this side, this is held shut by magnets, each one. And there's writing space here. And then there's a long belly band with a writing card inside, a large one. And you close these back. And I put lace over the top of the pre-printed lace everywhere. And this is the pocket page, and there's a little pocket here with a little teeny card in it, and there's a side pocket here, and then this opens again, and there's a side tuck here and writing space over here and lace everywhere. And then we have our writing card here. And then there's writing space underneath when you take the card out. Nice little birds everywhere. I love this kit. And then you turn it again. And these are held by magnets, and they're envelopes. All these flips are envelopes. Everyone. These are envelopes. And you open them up, and then each one has a writing card in it. And I've stenciled on the back of all the writing cards to make them pretty. Oops, get in there. Why do they never go in when you're doing a flip through? I have no idea. And then there's 2 cards here and a writing space. Every other page is a flower page, like a written with the name of a flower on it. And every other page is a bird page. Okay, so there's your sweet bird up here. There's a postcard and an envelope that I made with my envelope punch board, and then I used repositional glue so that you can open and close it, and then there's a writing card inside, and then there's the last pages, and this has flowering shrubs, and then when you take this out there's a notepad, and I use coffee dyed paper, and there's even writing space in the top. And I did have this like this, and I may put it back like that. Here's a side tuck with a little card up under the lace. And I did have it like this. And then here's a double belly band. This opens up, has a magnet in it. And then you take this out, and there's another giant writing card. There's also a couple of pockets. There's a side pocket here with a writing card in it. Great big one. Lots of writing space in this book. And then there's also a top pocket with a large writing card here. Okay, and that's it. That's my book. And you can see the tutorial on this. This is the last video in the series. And just go to Sweet Pea Papers on YouTube, and you can get this whole tutorial plus a written version of it so that you can follow along with it. And I hope you enjoyed the flip through, and I hope you go enjoy the tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video, and that will be just a second for you and a day for me. Okay, bye-bye.